Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Mounja Caps, a liquid dietary supplement that's marketed as a natural weight loss solution. The company claims that just a dropper in the morning can boost your metabolism, curb uncontrollable cravings, increase your energy levels, and even help with stress and mental focus. On the surface, it sounds like a pretty amazing product, almost like a miracle cure for multiple health issues all at once. But here's the thing, weight loss, appetite control, and energy management are complex processes that usually require consistent lifestyle changes like diet, exercise, and sleep. It's hard to believe that a simple dropper of botanical extracts could deliver such wide-ranging benefits consistently. When a product promises to fix so many different things simultaneously, it's usually a big red flag that the claims might be exaggerated. Looking at the ingredients, Mounja Caps contains things like horse chestnut, stone root, motherwort, and gotu kola. These herbs are generally known for supporting circulation, reducing inflammation, or calming anxiety, not for actually burning fat or suppressing appetite in a meaningful way. There's limited scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness for weight loss, especially compared to well-researched ingredients like caffeine or green tea extract. So while some of these botanicals might help indirectly by reducing stress or inflammation, it's a stretch to say they'll eviscerate stubborn fat as the marketing suggests. Another important point is about the product's safety and regulatory status. Mounja Caps claims to be made in an FDA-registered facility, which sounds reassuring. However, this doesn't mean the product is FDA-approved or endorsed. In fact, dietary supplements in general aren't approved by the FDA, and the fine print clearly states the claims haven't been evaluated by the FDA and that the product isn't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This is standard legal wording, but it's a reminder that no official body guarantees the product's effectiveness or safety. Finally, it's worth noting that Mounja Caps isn't available on major reputable retail websites like Amazon or Walmart, and there are hardly any genuine user reviews online. This lack of transparency and user feedback makes it difficult to trust the product fully. So, while it might sound promising, it's best to approach this supplement with caution. If you're considering trying it, definitely talk to your doctor first, especially if you have any medical conditions or take medications. In summary, Mounja Caps makes some big claims that don't seem very realistic based on the ingredients and current evidence. It might support your wellness routine to some extent, but it's unlikely to be the miracle weight loss solution it's marketed as. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.